Okay, so question 18, we're asked to solve the simultaneous equations 4x plus 7y equals 1 and 3x plus 10y equals 15. So very typical question towards the back of the paper. Normally we're going to have to eliminate either x's or y's in this case. Looking at both equations, I am going to eliminate the x's. Okay, so in order to do so, I'm going to want to make the number in front or the coefficient in front of x the same in both equations. In order to do that, I'm going to times the first equation by 3 and times the second equation by 4. So I'm going to draw a little line underneath and we're going to rewrite our equations now after this adjustment. So timesing everything in equation 1 by 3, we're going to get 12x plus 21y equals 3. And the bottom equation by 4, we're going to get 12x plus 40y equals, and 4 times 15 is 60. Let's draw another line underneath the equations. So suppose this is equation 1 here, and this is equation 2 here. I'm going to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So I'm going to do equation 2, I'm going to take away from it equation 1. What's going to happen here is that the x's are going to cancel out. 40y subtract 21y is going to leave me with 19y. And 60 subtract 3 is going to give me 57. 19y is 57. Dividing both sides by 19, we're going to get y equals, and I'm going to use a little bit of explain my thought process here. I know that 3 times 9 is 27, so it's going to end in a 7. Well, 3 times 19 is going to give me that 57, so y must be equal to 3. So now that we know what y is, we're going to substitute back into any of the equations we have above. So I'm going to sub y equals 3, and let's sub it into, let's go with the first equation. So I'm going to sub it into 4x plus 7y equals 1. So when we sub that in, we're going to get 4x plus 7 lots of 3. 7 times 3 must equal 1. Simplifying, 4x plus 21 equals 1. Subtracting 21 from both sides, we get 4x equals negative 20. And dividing both sides by 4, we get x equals negative 20 divided by 4 is negative 5. So our solutions to the simultaneous equations are negative 5 for x and 3 for y.